This is the 100-watt resistor-based volume control. Our multi-room volume control is an easy-to-use controller for up to 3 pairs of speakers. Rated for 100 watts per channel, it delivers high quality and is great for whole home audio or classroom AV. It offers 36 decibels of attenuation from all the way off in the counterclockwise position to all the way on. Solderless termination makes it easy for the pro or home user to install. It supports up to 14-gauge speaker wire. Each volume control comes with 3 matching knobs, inserts, and plates: ivory, white, and almond. This makes it easy for you to match any installation color scheme. The 100-watt resistor-based volume control is a fantastic solution for all your audio needs. For more information on our products, please contact our customer service department at 888-519-9505. For all your cable and connector needs, choose Show Me Cables.